This hotel has all high floor rooms above the 23rd floor and with a great bargain. Unboxing Hotel Cozzi, Kaohsiung Zhongshan, great location near the shopping area. Outstanding views from the 30th floor. How about the breakfast buffet?
Hi, I'm TreePapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to TreePapa's channel and good day Kaohsiung. I'm currently at the Taiwan high-speed rail station and heading to my hotel for today, Cozzi Kaohsiung Zhongshan. Before I unbox all the details, as always, I'll let you know how I got here. Previously, I stayed at the luxury 5-star hotel Intercontinental Kaohsiung, enjoyed the outstanding club lounge services and happy hour premium cocktails, unboxed the high-floor harbor view room with a tasty breakfast buffet at Seed Restaurant. For all the details, check the link below. Cozzi Hotel Group is a Taiwanese local hotel chain. Usually their locations are quite good, since they are part of the Cathay Group, which owns a lot of land and a bank in Taiwan. This hotel is located right at the exit of the metro station of Sanda Shopping District, and the Mega Mall is just across the street. Quite a strategic location. Cozzi occupies the top 8 floors of this 30-floor commercial building. Let's head directly to the lobby on the 30th floor. Upon arrival, I was attracted by the natural light. However, we need to check in first. If you post a 5-star rating on Google, you can spin a wheel once and win a gift. There are restaurants and a cafe here. Well, I will explore it during breakfast tomorrow. Alright, let's head to our room today. Room 2319 on the 23rd floor. In this hotel, there are a few cheaper rooms with no windows. Of course, unless there are serious budget concerns, I don't recommend booking a hotel room without windows and natural light.
Okay, we stay at 2319 today. Let's take a look. Whoa, it looks not bad. This is actually the business style hotel, and the room we booked today is a king size bed. You can see actually it's quite cozy. I will use this term to describe this room. And they got a view outside. Because we are at the 23rd floor, it's actually a high floor in Kaohsiung. So there's the mega shopping mall, the big one, and also the Kaohsiung city view over there. You can see the Intercontinental Hotel is right there. And let's take a look at the room here. So they got small living area here, and the snacks, they say this is complimentary, free to eat. Not bad. And here got a working desk and with some kind of a catalog on them. Room service menu. So if you want to order something, you can order from here. Let's take a look at the price. If you want to have a burger, let's say, burger, where's the burger? There's no burger here. Okay, let's say have a cup sandwich, around $12. And plus another 10% service charge. A little bit expensive here. Beside the working desk is a universal power socket with a USB charger, also the Taiwan type of the power cord. They got the LAN cable and some kind of papers. The safe is right here, right? So actually it's quite nice to work here with a view. At the bedside, they only provide one power socket, but luckily it's a universal power socket. So no matter you're coming from where, you can easily use your devices. Just plug in right here. Good feature. And they got a quite huge area. Actually, you can manage your things here, but only one chair. That's a little bit interesting. The TV right here is actually quite large. So take a look about here. You saw this, all the amenities. Basically, right nowadays, they don't provide any amenities like this. So you need to request upon check-in. And they also supply 2 bottles of waters, and you can find the glass cups, simple tea and coffee right here. Let's see what's inside. The water boiler. No, nothing here. Okay, and in the fridge, they say also complimentary. Here. Whoa, thank you very much. Lovely, right? Here, for you to put the luggage and in the wardrobe. Alright, it looks quite big. Got the hangers, different type of hangers. And here also put the luggage. It got the laundry bag and also the cozy bag. Oh, this bag is actually quite nice. Can reuse. Perfect. 2 pairs of slippers.
Okay.
Right. But there's no iron machine here. So there's no iron board. Okay, and take a look at their shower facilities. They got quite a big bathtub. Looks actually quite premium. And with a mirror, big mirror, small mirror right there. Actually, they still provide just this. And the hairdryer is Philips. This for putting your towels. Let's see what's inside. The toilet right here. It's a Panasonic washlet. Standard. And right here is the shower. Let's take a look at the amenities. Oh, it's a Cozzi brand. So I don't know how's the taste, but later we will give it a try. So that's all about this room. Later I will also show you the facility. They got fitness center on 24th floor. Later we will take a look. Okay, let's go.
Let's take a look at their facilities on the 24th floor. First, the laundry room. There are 2 coin-based laundry machines with quite cool air conditioning. There are also toilets here. It's well set up with a small kids' playroom if parents are doing laundry. Basically, they provide a tent with a couple of sofas. Detergent and softener can be purchased here. There are also 2 dryers. It's good if you plan to stay long in Kaohsiung. Next, let's check out the gym. They call it workout room.
Alright, so this is a workout room. Let's take a look. Okay, so the workout room is actually a small fitness center. It's large with 2 treadmills and kind of bicycle machine and some other training tools. Also with 1 yoga pad right there. Let's take a look what they got. So they also got a toilet and got plenty of drinking waters if you are thirsty, with towels. Not bad. Simple industrial job.
After the hotel tour, you must spend some time outside. Kaohsiung is a lovely city. Unlike crowded Taipei, when you come to Kaohsiung, don't forget to take a relaxing walk before we carry on for the breakfast report. I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Here's the view from the room. It wasn't too amazing, even on the 23rd floor, since the mega mall is also super tall and blocked half of my view. Of course, they also have corner suites at higher floors with better view. Alright, it's time to sleep. I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, Cozzi Kaohsiung. It was pretty quiet sleeping here. Now, let's head to the breakfast buffet. The staff will lead us to our seats. And here's the most amazing part of this hotel. Look at this view. Super incredible view of Kaohsiung City. And you can spot the tallest building here. Let's take a look at the buffet now. Cold noodles and salads are here. There's also a local style porridge, steamed buns, and stir-fried vegetables. There are more hot options with eggs and rice dishes. It'll definitely fill you up. Approximately 60% of the dishes are local specialties. It's a place to enjoy traditional Taiwanese dishes all in one go. Of course, fruit is also available. Cold and hot drinks are essentials. There are a few Western options with pastries and ham. Kids' favorite cereals are available. Desserts are a bit limited but still include local options. Finally, I got some spaghetti. You must request a window seat to enjoy the best part of this hotel. By the way, while checking out, I tried the spin the wheel game. Well, I got the most common reward, a drink, but it's just for fun. What do you think about this hotel? Let's have a quick summary of my stay.
In summary, the stay in Cozzi Kaohsiung, it was a fantastic experience, especially the view on 30th floor. You can see the 85 building over there and with the blue sky and all the harbor view. That's the best part of this hotel. And inside the room is pretty standard, but it's also quite clean and neat for business travelers, for leisure travelers, and family travelers over there. However, I highly recommend to book the room with the windows. Otherwise, you may feel a little bit pressed if there's no window in your room. And the price is actually not expensive compared to nearby hotel like Intercontinental Kaohsiung. It's probably double price compared to Cozzi. If you want to go for the budget good hotel, Cozzi is your good choice in Kaohsiung.
In my next video, I will take the Taiwan high-speed rail from Kaohsiung to Taipei. It takes only 90 minutes, while driving might take 5 hours. How do the business class seats and services compare to standard economy class? Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.